One of the things my second daughter absolutely loves is cut flowers. And so today she is so excited because we got two new raised beds from Botanical Interest. They have such wonderful garden beds, and we were so excited to be expanding on our garden beds that are beside our bunny barn. So she got the flower beds put together, and now she is laying out some DeWitt Pro landscape fabric, which is absolutely one of our favorites. And then she's going to get them filled up with the Daddy Pete's potting soil. So she did all of this by herself while I was taking care of my husband after he had been sick. I was so excited when she sent me this video and she said, "Mom, I got everything ready for the cut flowers." And it was just such a treat to receive these videos and to see all the hard work that she's put into it. And you guys know that she is one of my hard workers and she absolutely loves flowers. So this is going to be the start of her cut flower garden this year. And I can't wait for you guys to see all the flowers that she has been growing from seed, because she has a lot picked out and they're going to be absolutely beautiful.
Hey y'all, so I got the beds done. So both of them are filled up. They use 15 bags. I did put extra stuff at the bottom of that one to kind of make up for the loss of dirt. And then I have the garden fabric all the way around. I did run out, so I'll have to come back later on and add some more, because I think I'm missing it from the end down here and also from the back side over here. And then I'm not sure, so like in the front of these we have the extra what is it, garden, we have the extra raised garden beds. And so I'm not sure what we're going to do exactly for this front area, but I think what we'll have to do first is get the fence in and then see what area we're working with and then kind of come back and complete everything. But this is how it is. And then this area, I did have a little bit extra fabric, so I'll have to come back and cut it. I just folded it over for right now. But yeah. But thank you for joining me today on this little garden adventure, building two new raised beds. We're going to grow cut flower zinnias in here, and some other things that we have all growing from seed right now. And I'm so excited to show you guys how they do. We also bought some, Mom and I bought some netting. And so I'm going to put the netting up. That way none of the flowers fall over whenever we get those heavy winds or rains. That way we can just kind of keep everything protected. But thank you for joining me today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you have a chance to get in your garden today. Bye, friends.